In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded or you just want a cleaner way to organize messages, creating folders is a quick win that keeps everything easy to find. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. You can launch it from your taskbar or dock, or search for it from your computer's app launcher. Give it a moment to load fully so the folder list appears on the left. If Outlook asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so Outlook can sync your mailbox. Once you're in, you should see your email account name at the top of the left-hand folder pane, with folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts beneath it. If that pane looks collapsed, hover near the edge and expand it so you can see the full list. To create a new top-level folder, right-click your email address or account name in that left pane. On the classic version of Outlook, choose New Folder. In the new Outlook experience, choose Create New Folder. If right-click isn't available on your device, you can usually use a two-finger click on a trackpad or hold the Control key while clicking. If you prefer to create a folder inside an existing one, like a subfolder under your inbox, right-click the folder you want to organize. Then select New Folder in the classic view, or Create New Subfolder in the new Outlook. Subfolders are great for grouping messages by project, client, or time period under a main category. When the naming box appears, type a clear, descriptive name for your folder. Keep it short but specific, like Receipts, Project Alpha, or Travel 2026. Press Enter to save it. You'll see your new folder appear instantly in the left pane, right where you created it. From here, you can drag and drop emails into the folder to tidy up your inbox. If you're using an account that syncs across devices, that new folder will follow you on other computers and mobile apps as well. A quick tip: adopt a consistent naming style so you can scan your folder list quickly. For example, start related folders with the same prefix, or use dates if that helps you stay organized. That's all there is to it. You've created a folder in Outlook, either at the account level or as a subfolder, and named it so it's easy to recognize. With just a few clicks, your inbox becomes a lot more manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.